After nearly a century of Mongol rule, China rose again under native leadership. In 1368 CE, Zhu Yuanzhang, a former peasant rebel, overthrew the Yuan Dynasty and became Emperor Hongwu, founding the Ming Dynasty. The Ming Dynasty was a period of restoration and renewal. Hongwu reinstated traditional Confucian bureaucracy, reformed agriculture, and centralized imperial power to restore Chinese rule. Under his successors, China expanded its global presence. The most iconic moment came during the reign of Emperor Yongle, who commissioned a series of legendary maritime expeditions. Between 1405 and 1433, Admiral Zheng He led 7 massive naval expeditions across the Indian Ocean, reaching as far as Africa and the Middle East. These voyages showcased Chinese wealth and power, strengthening diplomatic and trade ties around the world. Closer to home, the Ming Dynasty focused on defense. The Great Wall of China was extensively rebuilt and fortified to protect the empire from northern invasions. Much of the wall we see today comes from the Ming era. The Ming era also saw a cultural golden age, with advancements in literature, painting, and blue and white porcelain, which became iconic around the world. But in the 1600s, the Ming Dynasty began to crumble. Economic troubles, natural disasters, and widespread corruption led to revolts. In 1644, rebels led by Li Zicheng captured Beijing. Desperate to stop the rebels, General Wu Songui opened the gates to the Manchu forces, who seized the opportunity. The Qing dynasty was established, ending the Ming's nearly 300-year rule. Though it fell in chaos, the Ming dynasty's legacy of exploration, defense, and cultural brilliance lives on as one of the most iconic eras in Chinese history.